Let's do our best to be our true, authentic selves. What can I say? These dreadlocks actually just turned 7 years old this January. It's now 2022 and I began this freeform lock journey in the year 2015. I'll be honest, sometimes I lose track of how many years it's been. I feel like once you get to a certain length, it becomes pointless to keep on counting and tracking day by day, month by month, because the changes are so minuscule at this point. It's not until I come across the trimmed dreadlocks that I really notice the change in length, such as so on this Congo. Quite frankly, I'm a lot happier with the way this Congo is trimmed, opposed to when I had them very lengthy. They were getting in the way a lot. And truthfully, I feel like this lock is much more authentic this way. Check out how flat and thick this lock came over time to be. That could be split into two pretty easy. The best thing about letting your locks freeform together and Congo up is that if you don't like the way they look when they're thick, you can always split them after the fact. And if I were ever to want this lock that's flat to look round, I would have to twist it up like so and then go at it with a crochet hook to kind of wick it into place, but that would be a wicked movement to make, and I wouldn't want to ruin the integrity of the lock there that I have wanting right now. It's been a blessing having all y'all here on the channel with me over the years. We are approaching 150,000 subscribers since we have reached that 100K mark back in 2019. Hey, new day. I'm in Toronto, down by the lakefront, and I'm doing some modeling today for a coat company called Wuxly. So, should be pretty interesting. Oh, that's gross. So, the photo shoot ended prematurely because it's noon. Let me show you outside here. It's noon and I thought I was gonna be here. I thought it was gonna be overcast today, but the sun decided to blare out. So, there's an airplane going by somewhere over there. So we ended up trying a parka and just shooting a little bit with it, but the sun is too bright right now for some really good photos. I was gonna meet up with him a bit later on, around sunset, because I had plans to go downtown and hang out for a while, do a little bit of work. I was gonna dig a friend out of the trenches, but she got her car out and I don't have to go help her out anymore. So that's a good win because I don't have to break my back doing some heavy lifting. And now I just got some time to kill here in Toronto, so first things first, I gotta find someone to take a piss because I gotta pee. But this is CNE, Canadian National Exhibition Grounds. Actually, it's Ontario Place grounds. This is my car, and I gotta go find somewhere. This is an interesting building. This is called the BMO Field, and this is a soccer stadium for the Toronto FC. I don't know if you guys watch soccer or football if you're in Europe. But yeah, this is where they play soccer. See over there, it says BMO Field. Yo. Time for lunch. Crazy how much it's pretty crazy how much snow we got. I had to dig Ziggy a pathway. More than 2 feet of snow, I swear. And the snow is deeper than him. But I wonder why I don't know why. All I know is the snow is very deep for Ziggy. Look at him. He's chomping on the snow. See how deep it is? It's deeper than him. I had to clear a pathway for him to use so he can go pee. My camera sounds really noisy for some reason right now. See, look at that bank. It's double the size of him. Hey, where's your toy? Go get your toy. Good boy. Come on inside. This camera's actually super noisy.
Dreadlock.